Hey, what's up, dudes? I'm gonna play GTA 5 today for you, so let's get started. Now, if any of you didn't like any of my previous videos, it's probably because of all the swearing. I just realized that I probably sounded stupid, and I didn't sound mature, and yeah, I just didn't. So I'm gonna try and do it clean today, and that's ironic because I'm playing Grand Theft Auto 5, and I'm gonna try and make a clean video. Those two things don't really mix that well. Is that R for rockets? Anyway, many of you probably play this yourselves, and it's very fun to watch, and it's very fun to watch other people get hurt and get killed. And I'm not doing story mode, I'm just doing my online mode. Just to show you basically, well, a few minutes of fun, pretty much. GTA Online, personalize your clothing with crew emblems to represent your criminal brethren. I'm an only child, so no brethren. Can you just aim sensitivity in the settings menu and make each mode play just the way you like? Heh. Judging on my part. Drop them all weapon. Oh, no. No, my weapons are mine. Sorry. Dem teeth on that dog, though. Dem teeth. This guy needs a makeover. Badly. Like, dude. Shoot yourself in the head. Save some time. Anyone who took offense to that last statement, I'm sorry. One thinking again. Interesting way to torture people alive. Taking forever to load. We get it. You're loading. Stop taking forever. Do 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 do. Process of elimination. If this took any longer, I'd be dead. Loading, we get it. You're loading. Stop taking forever. Smooth head. Money. It's rich. It's fantabulous. Fantabuloso. Oh, Lord. Finally. This is my garage. And as you can tell, I like bikes. And this is my baby right here. Mm-hmm. This is my car. She's a gauntlet. And she's a muscle car. And if I do say so myself, a rather stylish piece of a vehicle. And this is my truck. As you can all tell, it's badass. Anyone who thinks it isn't, well, you're a dumbass. Just to be frank. Let's go for a ride, shall we? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Looks like it's hell already in this game. Missed me, dumbass. That guy's in a helicopter just shooting people up. Da 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 da. Anyway. Ow. That hurt. Damn skills though. Damn skills. Okay. This looks like a good place to stop and cause havoc. What weapon should I use to scare the shit out of this guy? Shotgun. Again, it's like the 40th time I've robbed you. You know the drill. You wanna end up like those? Hurry up. Pretty much. Once a week. That's very descriptive. Oh yeah, them cops don't know shit about. Oh yeah, I swore again, didn't I? Crap. Sorry. That was an accident. Okay. Well, oh, douchebag. If you didn't know, in this game, since it's online, people kill you on purpose because they're douches. Again, sorry for the swearing. I keep breaking my code. It's gotta be a problem or something. Okay, okay. No one likes them either. Oh, I'm calling you up. Oh, whoops. Looks like my bike's just over there. They better not have trashed it because I'd be pissed. Continuing. Good. It's still working. Damn helmets though. Yeah, enough with the talk show radio. Damn skills though. There you go. There we go. Okay. You couldn't have? There goes detonation day. Whoa. Red zone. If you guys don't know what a red zone is, neither do I. Well, I kind of do. I think it's a gang battle, but every time I run into one, I always get killed. I know I sound like a wuss, but you're probably right, I am. I really don't want to die meaninglessly. I don't get any cash off those. It's just for the satisfaction of kicking someone in the butt. Hello, garage. I'm back. Oh, yeah. Time to do a mission, bros. Whoops, I did that too. Ah, darn it. Never mind. I got offered a good mission, but someone else took it. What vehicle do you guys want to use now? I can use both bikes, I guess. This one's more built for speed. Dare me to do something stupid? Okay, I'm gonna do it. Time to go. The cops, them cops got shit on me. Yeah. If you ever want to escape the cops in this game, just go somewhere they can't. Like here, for example. I still haven't been caught. Uh-huh. That's right. I know I am a horrible singer. Ah, but whatever. Whatever. Who cares? Everyone in this world's a horrible singer. Okay, that's also a lie. There are also some good singers. It's them music though. Alright. As soon as the cops are gone, I'm gonna head back to my garage and I'm gonna end this episode for today. Well, I don't think I'm gonna turn this into an episode series though. Oh, wait. I take that back. I'm gonna do a rooftop rumble. There we go. Failed to join session due to incompatible. Alright, whatever. Douche. Hey, the cops are gone. Yay. Ah, damn it. Damn skills, though. Oh, yeah. Badass. If anyone disagrees with that, keep it to yourself. Damn helmet, though. And if you're wondering, yes, my character is a black dude. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode. I think I'll make more GTA ones, and probably hope not to cuss in those either. Anyway, thanks. Bye.